You think you're funny, but you're not.
We've had multiple people that have gotten stuck now trying to get out of here today. And this is where the RV community shines.
So if you've ever asked yourself, should you or should you not attend an RV rally? Well, let's just say so far, this rally is off the charts fun. And whether you are a peopler or not, there's something in it for everybody. So as you watch this video, you're gonna probably be ready to sign up for that next RV rally when we tell you more about just what you might expect.
We drove over 1,000 miles in just 2 days to attend the RV Unplugged rally. This is a boondocking event where we're parked in a field with over 50 other RVs to kick off what is sure to be the best new show about RVers made for RVers. Will we survive no hookups for the next 4 days? We are about to put our new solar setup to the test. Plus, when a torrential downpour occurs the night before departure, well, let's just say things are about to get very, very interesting. And this video is one where you're gonna want to stick around until the very end. But first up, bull riding.
Hold on. Just hang on tight. You got this.
I'm so dizzy right now.
I decided to give it a try, but after watching everyone else come off quickly, I decided to try this challenge a little differently.
I've already replaced everything I can on the right side. I don't want to start on the left side, so I've got to stay off that bowl. But trust me, I would have done it anyway. Sure. Done!
Who do you think rode it best? Let us know in the comments below.
So that was an experience in and of itself and a lot of fun. But the best part of all with this type of RV rally is just the community. So we have made lifelong friends while we've been here. We've also been camping with friends that we've gotten to know more. So a couple of things you can expect if you do come to an RV rally. So expect to have a blast, expect to have a lot of fun, but also expect to get more connected in the RV community. People ask us all of the time, how do you make friends on the road? How do you stay connected on the road? And a rally is absolutely a great way to do that. But don't take my word for it. Let's ask some of the people that were here what they thought. All right, so I am here with one of our insiders, Bill, and he has been here with us this weekend at the rally. So what did you think of the rally?
It's exciting. I guess, going in, you don't know how many people are going to be here. But to have, I think it was 60 or 70 rigs here, it's crazy that amount of people and connections that you build in just a few days.
Yeah, it's awesome. So was this your first time coming to a rally?
It was. 900 miles away, first rally. I'd recommend it. Maybe a little shorter next time, but...
So you definitely would do another rally?
Absolutely.
Awesome. All right, so we are here with our friends Chris and Katrina from our Everyday Getaway. Was this your first rally?
It was my first rally where I actually participated. It wasn't my first rally as far as a guest. We did a rally 3 years ago. We had a blast, but this rally was much different in that we were a part of it. We were central to a lot of things that were going on. And it was great. We had a blast. It was fantastic.
So would you tell other RVers that a rally is something that they probably want to consider at some point during their whole time of being on the road?
Yes, absolutely. Go to as many rallies as you possibly can. You'll have a great time. You'll meet great people. You know, breaking bread and having a few cocktails, that's always a good thing. But yes, I would definitely do as many as you can. It's a great way to meet people and to learn a lot of things.
All right, so this is our friend Ryan, and he and his lovely wife Lauren are Millers in Motion, and they have been here with us for the RV Unplugged rally. So was this your first RV rally?
It wasn't.
Okay.
We've done a handful of other rallies with a few other channels, and then obviously the Tampa RV Super Show. We've done the rally side as well as the fun side.
Right, right.
Of all of that. And so this was probably our 5th or 6th now.
Okay. And then what do you think about RV rallies in general? Yes or no?
Absolutely, yes. I mean, the sense of community, we all know the RV community is awesome to begin with, right? But you take that and then you take a bunch of us and you cram us into a little space, and it's amazing what happens, just the friendships that are formed. It almost feels like a little mini family for that weekend. It's crazy to see people rally around to help other people with generators that might have gone down. If you're stuck in the mud, you name it, and just everybody grabs a truck and a chain or oil or whatever you need, and next thing you know, it's fixed in like 5 seconds by like 47 people.
Awesome. So RV Unplugged 2 rally?
I'm already thinking number 4, but
Number
so I guess
4.
that implies number 2 is already there. So
So you want to hit that subscribe button because we're going to have a lot more information as things progress towards the next rally. These are very dear friends, Mike and Susan from RV Blogger, and they have been here at the RV Unplugged rally with us this weekend. Is this like your first RV rally that you guys have been to, or have you been to others?
Well, this is the first one that we've been to, one where we were part of the reason the rally existed.
So would you recommend for others in the RV community to attend a rally at some point in your whole RV experience, or no?
Absolutely, yes.
Yeah, take the time and do it. It's a great way to meet people that are all like-minded. We all have the same hobby or lifestyle, whatever it is. And we learn things from each other. We help each other. We have fun together. And we're looking forward to the next RV Unplugged rally for sure. It's going to be a blast.
So today is essentially the last day of the rally. Everybody is pulling out. We kind of just had like a coffee and donuts time this morning. But this is where you really see RV community, because it has been raining almost every single day since we arrived here in Texas. And because of that, the fields where we've been parked have been somewhat soft during different times of the day. Well, wouldn't you know that on the last day, we're getting ready to pull out, that we would have a torrential downpour that happened last night that just obviously resulted in the ground being very, very soft. So we've had multiple people that have gotten stuck now trying to get out of here today. And this is where the RV community shines, because not only do you have everybody jumping in to help, but you have people that have so much knowledge. So we've got a guy here that is retired fire department. So he's got a lot of knowledge. And not only is he retired fire department, but then in talking to him, I find out he actually was an instructor for the company Warn that make the tow winches. So he's got super good knowledge about what is this capable of doing, is, what we're doing safe, all of that. And so, he knows, okay, this is how we need to rig this thing up to be able to get this RV unstuck. And so not only is everybody coming together, but it's like there's this wealth of knowledge that you find in the RV community of people that have experience and people that have knowledge. And then when everybody bands together, we can really make some great things happen. So if you are on the fence about jumping into this lifestyle, about joining up with the RV community, this is your sign. Do it now, because it's an amazing community.
Thank you. High five. No, I'm just kidding. Yay! Woo.
I'm sad to be leaving. So many good friends and smells.
Got nice clothes, nice shows, boogie down at the bar. Fiddle tunes and homemade booze, but it always goes too far. Shoot him pool, crack a jack, take off now and don't look back. But hey, don't you wanna play?
So, it's been just a very long, crazy day. It's about 8:30-ish, I want to say, at night, Central Time, which time zones are a really interesting thing when you're RVing and you're thinking about going from one destination to the next, and you have to account for a time zone change. So essentially, we're going to lose an hour getting to our ultimate destination in Central Florida. But we decided to stop and get Raising Cane's because... Who's there? There's a strange man at my door.
Boy, he did his job.
Yeah, he did. Good boy.
You got food?
Good boy, yep. You saw a face. He's like, there's a face.
That's funny.
Looking at me in the door.
I will have to say you were very
Raising
stealthy.
So I've been practicing. I've been sneaking up on the dog, sneaking up on the cat, sneaking up on Charity. And I think I've perfected it pretty well.
Yes. I didn't even know you were there until he told me you were there. We're gonna do this, and then we still got 5 more hours.
5 more hours, we're just getting started.
Gonna go as far as we can, and then finish up tomorrow, because, you know, that's how we roll.
So we found this little gem of a boondocking spot last night, which probably isn't technically a boondocking spot, but it is when you make it one. So it was actually like nice and quiet, dark. We actually got some good rest. When we went to bed, our batteries were at 86% because we didn't like even find this spot until like 1 in the morning last night. So there hadn't been any solar going on. There'd been some of the alternator charging, but we woke up this morning and the batteries are at 70. And we did run the AC in the back bedroom. It was off and on, cycled. Pretty happy with that. Time to get on the road. Are you ready?
Oh, I like this.
You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Go for a ride?
Yes.
What are you doing? Sitting in Charity's seat?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
I don't know if she's gonna be okay with that.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Oh, that's the spot right there. Right there. Right over here. Did you bring the pineapple and the oranges?
All right, let's get this show on the road.
You think you're funny, but you're not. Just saying.
Take off now and don't look back. But hey, don't you wanna play? Hold on, sugar, why you look so sad?
So something people don't always think about, but we love using, is a service like RV to be able to secure hard-to-get reservations. Now, RV is an online travel booking agency where you can search, compare, and actually book over 3,500 campsites without paying any sort of booking fee. And the feature we probably love the most about RV is their sold-out search feature. If a campground is sold out for the dates you're wanting to book, set up a sold-out search in RV, and RV will actually automatically book that campground for you when a cancellation happens, and they happen more often than you think. We've personally used this sold-out search feature several times with amazing success to secure last-minute reservations or reservations for popular destinations. We've partnered with RV for a 10% discount for our viewers. Now, this is an exclusive Grateful Glamper discount, so be sure to visit gratefulglamper.com/RV or check out the link in the description below. And a huge thanks to RV for sponsoring this video.
So we are needing a poop bag. That's what we're needing right now.
Tony says we're going to call this How to Be Cheap on the Road.
We've all seen Grateful Glamper's videos, right? Are we all subscribed? All right, you know it's top notch. That's why we needed his help for next season. So I'm gonna hand it over to her. We're gonna learn how to be cheap on the road. Oh wait, what? Wait a second. Oh, I'm sorry. Saving money on the road. Okay.
Number 1, don't buy an RV. Just saved you like $100,000 right there, right?
Hey, I'm not doing this.
Got you on camera.
I wasn't here.
So after this experience, we had so much fun. We're actually considering hosting our very first ever Grateful Glamper rally. So if that's something you're interested in, we're going to go ahead and start just basically an interest list. Doesn't obligate you in any way. We just want to gauge, would this be something you'd be interested in? So I'll have a link in the description below, but you can go to gratefulglamper.com/rally and just let us know, would you be in or would you not be in? And we'll have a couple other questions for you there as well. If we don't see you out on the road or around the campground, we'll see you in the next video.